II ordinance, which means bomb, that washed over the lighthouse. So we can't go surf there because the bomb squad's coming down from Norfolk to make sure it's not live, or if it is live, to defuse it. Welcome to Cape Hatteras.
The Navy has asked me to come down and ask everybody to get out of line of sight. There's a chance of fragmentation. They get 80 pounds of C4 on top of this old bomb, so we're going to ask everybody to move behind the dunes.
They just blew it up. How's it going?
Hi.
Did I hear you saying ordnance washed up?
Yeah. It's probably a World War II torpedo.
Gotcha.
Maybe training torpedo, we don't know for sure.
So that's why everything's shut down.
Yeah, yeah, the Navy's inbound from Norfolk now to take
Gotcha.
care of it. A lot of times the Coast Guard will take care of it. They looked at this one and said, we need to call in the bomb squad. So
jeez.
It may be, yeah.
That's, well, always something interesting around here.
Always something.
Yep. Have a good one.
You too.
Well, welcome back, y'all. There is a World War II ordnance that washed ashore down south of the jetty there at the lighthouse. The beach is all closed off until the bomb squad can come down from Norfolk, Virginia and determine whether the ordnance is live or not and safely remove it. So basically what's happened is the swell coming in from Hurricane Epsilon has washed ashore some World War II bomb from way back in the day. And this isn't like totally uncommon. 2 years ago we had two wash up, one in the sound, one in the ocean. But yeah, pretty wild. Beach is closed. We gotta go surf somewhere else. Right now I'll get off the beach and then let's go keep looking. This is too good. I'll get a close up and that way when you step on one it's on film. Safe. He made it. Ended anything that I just tried to stick it anyway? Wow, that thing was sick. Oh my gosh. Oh, that section was huge. Well, came down the beach here, looking elsewhere, just trying to find a peak. Swell from Hurricane Epsilon, which yes, we're that far into the Greek alphabet, is filling in. It's really walled out and doubled up and kind of onshore wind, but found a spot that's wedging up pretty good, hoping to go do some air sections. So we're just gonna go ahead, get the suit out and get after it. Welcome back, y'all. It's pulled off so long, they don't do anything. So we're here because there's a World War II ordnance, which means a bomb, that washed over the lighthouse. So we can't go surf there because the bomb squad is coming down from Norfolk to make sure it's not live, or if it is live, to defuse it. Welcome to Cape Hatteras. Well, where we were surfing got really bad as the tide turned. Came in, changed, figured we'd check somewhere else. Now it's blowing like 15 plus. Looks terrible. Jeffrey's trying to fish. Let's see how he's doing. Peter Medina. Peter Medina.
Going 15 minutes ago. It was that much better.
Right?
What's up?
Mindia. Manturn-dia.
Hey.
Jeffrey's on! Flounder right in the surf.
Literally was like reeling up onto the beach.
Well done, sir. I'll take it. I thought I knew you again. I was like, because I was like, well done, good sir. Well, Peter came down to surf. The wind's on shore, pretty bad.
Brett had to shut the lighthouse down.
I shut the lighthouse down, so we can't go there. It actually was probably the only place that's like worth surfing right now, but it's closed off, you know, because of that whole bomb thing. So our surf session was disrupted by a World War II bomb. That's pretty wild. Or a day of surf.
Feel that right now.
What, the wind? Like it getting lighter? I don't know, but the waves have already, like it's getting so low tide. The buoys have also gone up 7 feet, 14 seconds. We've got plenty of swell coming. Jeffrey and I are gonna go hop in the john boat and try and slay some trout, because last night I took the family out there, eat some pizza, slayed some trout. Check it out while I go hook up the john boat. Out here eating some pizza from Angelo's on the john boat, catching trout. Mason just reeled in a 3.9 pounder, and we've only been here like 15 minutes. That's how thick they are.
That's a limit.
That is the limit. Where are you going?
I got a limit. For my first time in my whole life.
Afternoon coffee. Look out, I don't run you over. Luckily it's a john boat, you don't have to get that close. It's all about speed. The faster we go, the more trout we can catch. Because I don't want to show you where we're launching and fishing, see y'all on the water. Jeffrey with the first. But how rad is this place? The waves turned off, so we came out here to go fish. Oh, cool. Dang it. There's just never a dull moment. Yes, a little bit bigger one. Later, buddy. Trout slay continues. Jeffrey and I have only filmed a couple fish. We've caught a lot. Let's go. But what an epic end to the day since the waves turned off. We just hopped out here to take advantage of the epic fall trout fishing that's going on right now. Yeah, it's been a weird fall kind of for weather. We've had a lot of fog, a lot of onshore. It's like the fall of onshore wind. And today was just that. Got some waves, short session in the onshores. Unfortunately, couldn't surf the lighthouse due to, you know, bombs and stuff. And yeah, I mean, we shot yesterday for a little bit. Was that yesterday or 2 days ago? No, it wasn't, because it was 2 days ago.
Because yesterday I surfed.
How's it looking? Can't tell anymore, huh?
Can't even see these guys now. It seems like kind of comes through in waves though. It's like you can't see them and you're like, oh, I can see it.
Anyway, shot the other day and it was super foggy. It actually looked really fun, and then we set up and I changed and we turned around at the cars and you couldn't see the waves anymore. It was super foggy. Waves got really bad, but Hurricane Epsilon's out there and it's looking like Saturday is gonna turn on for us, so we're not really sweating it. You know, we've had tons of surf this fall and not a lot of offshore days, not the crispy fall surf we're used to, but yeah, no bad days. Lots of fish, fishing's going off, surf's been fun, no complaints. So I'm gonna get back to catching fish with Jeffrey here. And fortunately he's not out fishing me this time like he did last time. I think that was last episode. He caught all the drum in the surf and no one else could hook up. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, you guys. Hope you guys are having a good one. Stay tuned because we've got potential offshore waves and like 8-foot surf coming here in 2 days. And if you haven't been, be sure to hit subscribe so you can follow along. The rest of y'all know the deal. See y'all next week. I see someone setting up GoPros and they just drove the 4x out of there.
How's everybody today?
How's it going?
My name's Ranger Denai. I'm a supervisory ranger for the district. Navy has asked me to come down and ask everybody to get out of line of sight. There's a chance of fragmentation. They get 80 pounds of C4 on top of this old bomb. We don't want anybody getting hurt, so we're going to ask everybody to move behind the dunes. If you have a camera and want to leave it here, that's fine.
Okay, cool.
But we want everybody, children, behind the dunes when they set their detonation off.
it. Well, they just blew it up. Navy came down, put 80 pounds of C4 under it and just blew it up. It's crazy.